Our session today is on presentation and communication skills. Our today's speaker is someone who is a dedicated educator and change maker. She has been working for over 25 years in the education sector. Please welcome our speaker for the day. Over to you. Okay, there we go.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Great to see such happy faces. You brightened my day. Each one of us is probably sitting in different cities, different countries. Choose Jeff as your, the person that you want.
It's pretty successful, and I like the idea of having a lot of money, I guess.
Okay.
I chose Elon Musk because one, he's a very influential and successful entrepreneur.
Yeah, I'm also Elon. I chose him because he's really good at making inventions, and he has companies, and I feel like he has a really great mind.
We have Anne Frank. Okay.
I would just like to see where she was and how things were then, and just know the history of that time.
I really like my math teacher because of the way she interacts with our class, and she teaches really well.
I really like how she's energetic, and she always makes science fun.
And she was really firm in her decisions, which is something I need to become, so I really look up to her.
And you've identified what you want. That is beautiful, Ravina. Why did you choose Malala?
Well, she influences education all around the world, and she helps women stand up for themselves, and she got a Nobel Peace Prize.
So I chose Mary Barra. She's the CEO of General Motors.
Rihanna, because she's really successful, and a lot of people like her, and she's a singer, and she's really rich.
I chose Neymar because I love soccer.
Very famous. He's a very famous creator of a car company called Koenigsegg.
5 movie clips for you. You are going to collaborate, work together, and you have to create.
Hello, welcome to the first episode of the Daily Bugle.
That's a very good question first.
But I have a genuine question.
Thank you for our guests for coming.
Well, except for
our 2 special guests.
Palm juice.
So thank you for inviting me on, and I'm Celery Bredner.
An illogical invention in the society.
Create the world between the real world and virtual reality.
This world because maybe we had a lot of technology. We created this world because maybe we had a lot of technology.
So
the story of Harry Potter.